Hello everyone, welcome to the Divine Kitchen. This time I am planning to make spinach croissant. Let's start our preparation. For making the spinach croissant, we need these ingredients: plain flour, yeast, sugar, water, salt, nutmeg powder, black pepper, asafoetida, almond milk, spinach, breadcrumbs, vegan cheddar cheese, ketchup, and olive oil. First thing we are going to do to make the dough. For making the dough, we need lukewarm water. Add the sugar and yeast. Mix nicely and keep aside for 10 minutes for fermentation. Now yeast liquid is nicely fermented. Add the flour, salt, olive oil, and mix nicely. Now I am using my hand to knead the dough. Make a nice soft dough. Now dough is ready. Apply a little bit oil on the top of dough. Cover the dough. Keep the dough in warm place for 1 hour. While dough is getting fermented, let's make the filling. For making the stuffing, first we have to cook our spinach. Pour the water in the pan, let it boil. Add the spinach. You can cover the pot and cook for 1 minute. Because spinach doesn't take much time to cook, leave aside. Then heat up the saute pan. Add the oil, asafoetida, nutmeg powder. Then add the 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Roast the flour nicely for 2 minutes in low heat. When you see your flour is roasted nicely, add the almond milk. When you are adding the milk, use half of the milk first and mix quickly. Otherwise it will create the lump. When you see now it is smooth paste, then add remaining milk. Again mix quickly. Now paste is very smooth. Add the lemon juice, salt, black pepper. Then add the spinach. Mix nicely. Add breadcrumbs and cheddar cheese. Cook for 5 minutes in medium heat. Stir continuously. Now stuffing is ready. While stuffing is getting cooled down, we will grease our tray. It has been 1 hour. Let's check our dough. Dough is nicely fermented. Let's make the spinach croissant. Roll down the dough with help of the dry flour. Divide into the 4 parts. Take the one part first and roll down up to 10 inches of diameter. After rolling down, sprinkle some dry flour and fold it and keep aside. Now we are going to roll another dough into the same size. Then spread some oil. Then take the first part, what we already rolled down earlier, put in this as a stack. Now you have to roll down again both parts together, little bigger size. Then you have to cut the corners to make a rectangular size. Again, we have to cut into the strip as approximately 2.5 inches by 4.5 inches. As you can see, I already cut down. Then you have to cut again from one corner to another corner like a triangle. Now it is time to fill the rolls. Put 1 tablespoon of filling in the wide area. Then on the top of that 1/4 teaspoon of ketchup. Then slowly roll down up to the end. Apply some oil on the top of the spinach croissants. Now spinach croissants are ready for the second fermentation. Cover the tray and leave for half an hour in warm place. Now spinach croissants are ready to bake. Bake for 15 to 17 minutes depending on your oven. After 17 minutes, spinach croissants are ready to serve. Serve hot. If you like the video, don't forget to share or comment. Enjoy!